Did you know a mother once ordered her own son's eyes burned out with red-hot pokers to steal his throne? In 797, Empress Irene of Athens made history as the most ruthless mother in Byzantine politics. Born a beautiful orphan, she married into royalty and became co-ruler when her young son Constantine became emperor. But as he grew up, she refused to give up power. For years, Irene manipulated court politics, turning nobles against her own child. When 26-year-old Constantine tried to rule independently, his paranoid mother saw only one solution. On that horrific night, Praetorian guards held down the young emperor while glowing pokers destroyed his sight forever. The screams echoed through the palace as Irene watched her son become permanently disabled and unable to rule. She claimed God gave her the right to power, ruling alone for 5 years. Even by Byzantine standards, her brutality shocked the empire. Eventually, nobles overthrew the monster empress, exiling her to the island of Lesbos where she died forgotten and penniless. Power corrupts, but a mother's ambition can destroy everything.